Assalamu alaikum everyone. So Luna Classic, you can see that there's this pattern where Luna Classic a few days ago kind of broke to the downside, made a V recovery here very quickly and pumped inside it, and now it's coming down. The interesting thing is that it's really holding that very same area that is acting as your previous support right there. So you can see that anytime you were holding it like this in the future, you started to move to the upside. So you basically went up coming down here, and you can see it's still acting as the very same support. And if I zoom in there, you can see that yep, it's just consolidating and it's holding the prices pretty much like a boss right here. You can see that it came down, made a wick, took some stop losses, next candle closed inside. This candle also had the body closing inside it, and you are still considering it. If I turn on the 4-hour time frame and show you the bigger picture, this is how it looks like, right? So boom, and if I keep on zooming out and I keep on zooming out like this, it makes even way more sense. So you have a consolidation right here, and keep in mind this is the very same place where Luna Classic previously really pushed up after coming down. So if things go great, we may actually see this consolidating, and we have time until 14th of January. So I'm not going to stretch the video way too much. It's just a pattern right here, and there's a decision coming until 14th of January. It could be today, tomorrow, anytime. We may actually try to see what the market does. I would actually say put a stop at 10,321, is it? Yeah, 10,321. If you go down to 10,321, I think that is not a very good statement anymore. Yeah, that's the last place I may actually see Luna Classic taking the stop and going down, because if you look at this one, you're way too oversold right now. Okay, on the RSI, it does actually look like Luna Classic is begging for a push up, and as a matter of fact, the prices are pretty flat here on the charts, but you can see the RSI is actually climbing up. So this positivity in the price is going on. There's still some bullish divergences happening, and the fact that it has been down for such a long time, ever since 4th of December, and now it's 9th of January, that's almost a month of nothingness here. We may actually see this thing try to climb up and maybe make another rally to the upside. So that's it for the video on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.